All right. So, Laurie, what do you tell your students about first and second person in academic writing?
I would say personally in my classroom that they always ask number one whether they can or cannot write in first person. Second person, I don't see a lot of. First person, I tend to encourage it just because they struggle to find a voice of their own to begin with. And so many of my writing exercises are geared to making them feel more comfortable in writing. And I think to do that, they use a lot of first person. And once they use so much of it, then they can cut out if it becomes excessive.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, definitely. So do you think it leads to stronger papers?
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think when they feel more comfortable with their ideas, they will use I, especially when they're writing rough drafts and getting their ideas out. That way they can see which ideas they're more passionate about. And then in rereading a draft, if it becomes repetitive or takes over the paper, then obviously you just take it out.
Do you use first and second person in your own writing?
I use first.
First, yeah. Okay. So do you think it occupies like a special place for beginning writers, would you say? Becomes more important for them or the same?
Some, I just especially encourage it in the first drafts of works, but once you get into actual research papers, kind of cut it out and find a way of reflecting those ideas in a more formal way.
Okay. All right. Do you think there's a wrong way to use first person in academic writing? Do you see that? Do you see it abused? I guess,
Yes.
Ever? Yeah.
I mean, I think like you would an elementary stage kid,
Yeah.
nonstop telling the story and not getting your point across because, yeah. But I don't personally see that in college writing.
Yeah.
I don't think.
Do you guys spend a lot of time talking about like how to use it effectively, or is it more just like this is something you're allowed to do?
No, but I always teach them to assert their own voice, and but assert it in a way that they don't always have to use I. Find a way to go around and get your ideas across in a different way.
Okay.
You can use it, but just use it sparingly.
Yeah.